Hello, everyone. Here I'd like to introduce plant PMRepair Centella. It's extracted from herb Centella. Centella Asiatica, also called gotukola, it has been used as medicine in China for more than 2,000 years. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is also one of the most important medicinal plants. In the legends, a wounded Bengal tiger rolls in its leaves to stimulate wound healing. Hence the name tiger grass. Tiger grass has antibacterial and wound healing properties, prevents ulcers, and reduces scarring. PMRepair Centella is pale yellow powder. It's soluble in water and butanediol, the solution is transparent and clear. The INCI name is asiaticoside, madecassoside, Centella Asiatica flower/leaf/stem extract. We recommended to add 0.1% to 3% in the formulation. It can be used in facial cleanser, toner, essence, lotion, cream, gel, facial mask, and so on. The shelf life is 36 months. Next, let's learn about the efficacy tests of PMRepair Centella. We have done tests to prove its skin repair effect as below. 0.15% PMRepair Centella increases the thickness of the living cell layer by 49%. The effect is better than 95% asiaticoside. Also, 0.15% PMRepair Centella increases LOR by 646%. Asiaticoside has no effect on that. LOR accounts for more than 70% of the keratin envelope, reinforcing the barrier function of the epidermis, and its reduced content is a major factor in the weakening of the skin barrier function. In addition, 0.15% PMRepair Centella increases FLG by 150%. The effect is better than asiaticoside. FLG filaggrin is an important component of keratin envelope, which can coalesce keratin into bundles. It can also be hydrolyzed into natural moisturizing factors. Last one is that 0.15% PMRepair Centella increases TGM1 by 537%. The effect is much better than asiaticoside. TGM1 is able to transfer amino acids to glutamate residues of proteins to form isopeptide bonds, which is key step in the formation of keratin envelope. Next part is about the safety and solubility of PMRepair Centella. Based on keratin-forming cells, PMRepair Centella does not show significant cytotoxicity, in the range of 0.1563 mg per milliliter. The water solution of PMRepair Centella is clear and transparent, but the solution will be cloudy and opaque when stand for a long time. PMRepair Centella is dissolved in 35% butylene glycol and 65% deionized water. The solution is clarified and transparent after a long time. PMRepair Centella was dissolved in pure water at 0.1% and 0.2% concentration. pH value is below 6. The water solution is clear and transparent. You can see the tests we did. Lastly, I'd like to share with you a bit of our company. Our mission is help our clients with expertise. Our vision is to become the leader of natural cosmetic ingredients for sensitive skin. Focus on sensitive skin, we develop these 5 kinds of products. For calming, soothing, we develop PM Soothe 9728, PM Soothe 9390, PM Relief 9982. They can inhibit the expression of TRPV1 and the transmission of action potentials, meaning they can inhibit both the reception and conduction of stimuli, so as to quickly soothe skin. For anti-inflammation, we supply PM Relief 9774, PM Relief 9982, PM Anti-Inflam 9287. For skin repair, we have PMRepair Centella. For oil and sensitive skin, we offer PM Oil Control 9574, PM Oil Control Salicin 70. And we provide PM White Glabridin 300 specially for whitening skin gently. Thank for your attention. That's all. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us anytime.